Get ready for a protein-packed punch. Today, we're making a delicious and healthy protein salad recipe that's perfect for fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals alike. Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Tube family. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and nutritious meal that's high in protein, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing a protein salad recipe that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients to fuel your body. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked chicken breast, 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup mixed greens, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, half a cup cucumber, sliced, a 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced, a 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, combine the mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion. 2. In a separate bowl, whisk together the olive oil and lemon juice. 3. Add the cooked chicken breast and quinoa to the bowl with the dressing and toss to combine. 4. Add the chicken and quinoa mixture to the bowl with the mixed greens and toss to combine. 5. Top with crumbled feta cheese and serve. Here are some protein salad recipes and benefits. 1. Grilled chicken quinoa salad. Benefits: high in protein, fiber, and vitamins, supports muscle growth and digestion. 2. Salmon avocado salad. Benefits: rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and healthy fats, supports heart health and brain function. 3. Turbocharged turkey salad. Benefits: high in protein, vitamins, and minerals, supports muscle growth and energy boost. 4. Veggie power salad with tofu. Benefits: rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and vitamins, supports immune function and digestion. 5. Greek chicken salad. Benefits: high in protein, calcium, and vitamins, supports muscle growth and bone health. 6. Spinach and shrimp salad. Benefits: rich in protein, iron, and vitamins, supports healthy red blood cells and immune function. 7. Quinoa and black bean salad. Benefits: high in plant-based protein, fiber, and vitamins, supports digestion and energy boost. 8. Chicken and mango salad. Benefits: rich in protein, vitamins, and antioxidants, supports healthy skin and immune function. These protein salad recipes offer a range of benefits, from supporting muscle growth and digestion to boosting energy and immune function. Enjoy experimenting with different ingredients and finding your favorite. Give this protein salad recipe a try and let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more healthy recipes and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to fuel your body with this delicious and healthy protein salad recipe. Join us next time on Healthy Tube family, where we're building a community of healthy and happy individuals. See you in the next video.